Okay, let's see. Let's try again. Flashlight and FM. I think Morra Smith Gambit. Aha, accepted. Okay, and only F4. Put bishop here. That could be a target on C4. Get the queen over. Put this here, I think, and then rook C1 will be potentially useful. Ah, okay. I'll keep the pawn structure intact for a moment. Rook C1. What is this? What is this? I just take rook C7. That's good infiltration. Looks like a lot of fun. Is it enough? Should I be keeping the queens on? I'll go for it. It looks like a very useful infiltration of the rook. So maybe knight E5 here. I'll exchange off and break down this C file. Try and keep ahead on the clock or something. I'm not like 4 minutes behind. It would be handy. Something like bishop C5 as well is also quite tasty potentially. Aha, more firepower on the queen side and the king side. F7. Oh, F7. Okay. Is it culminating anything? Take bishop C5. The rook moves. Rook takes F7. End the game. It looks pretty strong actually. Bishop D5. Bishop C5 is quite forcing. Get both rooks on the 7th. Wow, really? I suppose I can't see a defence. Both rooks are nicely on the 7th. He's getting mated. The bishop covers F8. Oh well, 21 move win. That was better than the first game, but I had all the pressure. Wasn't any unique new problems to solve much. There was only the little bit of controversy about the queen exchange. We look at this again, but the queen exchange here. I mean, what else was there? The queen c3 kept the queen's the pawn structure intact. If I try for a kingside attack, I'm very far away now. It's not really the right thing. I think this infiltration to the 7th it was interesting anyway. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.